Hi traders, so in today's video, as you see, I am on another planet, and also I have every kind of superpowers, and I just pulled this island from the sea, and it's just so cool to wander around on this island. And so I think I am really generous with my time, because I could do whatever I want on this island. I have trees, plants, snails, even I have the ocean, so I could fish, I could do whatever I want. But I want to help you to achieve your goals in life, and I want to bring you success. And in this video I will talk about a really common topic, because so many traders just come to me and they want to trade with EAs, expert advisors, trading robots, but they don't know how, and they don't know the basics. And in today's video I will talk about one of the most important things in this topic, and this is spreads. Now, spreads are a really interesting animal, because it is the difference between the bid and the ask prices. Now, what are the bid and the ask prices? The bid price is the price where you can sell the base currency of the given currency pair. The ask price is the price where you can buy the given currency pair, the base currency of the given currency pair. And the thing is okay, so I just saw some really interesting fish in the sea, and it is funny. So let's continue. Also, it started raining, but it doesn't matter really. And so many traders ask me why they are losing with EA's robots, and they tell me that the robot just go insane and starts to make positions over and over again, the same mistake. And I'm just wondering that what is this situation? And I realized that it is because of spreads. Because traders, when they start trading with robots, they don't know what are the currency pairs that are the best for a robot and for the take profit and stop loss levels of the robot. And if you use trailing stop as well, or break even, you have an even higher chance to lose if you put your EA on the wrong currency pair. So in this video I will talk about this really important thing, and this will bring you joy and success. And also maybe in the future you will have the ability to pull islands from the sea, but I don't I think it won't happen, but who knows. So when you start trading with EAs, try to use the basic ones, the basic currency pairs, the main pairs, because if you use a currency pair that is okay, don't laugh at me, because this island is just it is brand new, so there are really interesting winds and storms, and even I think earthquakes maybe. So just pretend that it is pretty normal. The important thing is to use currency pairs that don't have really high spreads, like 500 instead of 1. And don't be an asshole. Don't want to try to trade with, you know, like some Mexican or some Chinese or some currency pair that has really high spread because of, you know, the lack of liquidity. So try to use currency pairs that have very low spread, like 1, 2, or I recommend the, you know, max 4. And this way your robot will behave the normal way and you will be a successful algorithmic trader. So I hope you can just follow this one rule in trading, because believe me, so many traders that I know lost even thousands of dollars because of this mistake, and it's a pretty just beginner mistake that I hope you won't make in the future. So I hope you enjoyed this video from this brand new island that I just pulled from the sea, and yeah, ciao.